Katama ketien ba kajingi pen ibor hapreng di kulit ka Meghalaya bat Assam kala jabyang ha kisnong laper hado bobay udapti superintendent ki pulit ka Riboy Feroz Rahman ula mensaw hadin kajing sya kawang mau hagi breu bala keno badai na gajat ndreu karbi bat Nepali. Kani kajing kan at kala jabyang hadian baga kenhon jong ke HYC kala ihar sya laper halor kajing sya asyo ki laingut ki khasi hagi pulit ka Assam ka belaja ha kamit jong ka arpulai terek ha laper. Laban kedau hang ni bagani ke jingja sya asyok kisam lakasi ha ki kulit ke Assam kabalapan bitar ginong syong shnong ka blok tu jong karat nongtung. Keladap ban penisuk no ha ka arp terik nailar ka jing tu klaru MDC ke Mawati lembat ki bor penyat distrik bat ki kulit ke Riboy. Ha ka ba nagaliang ki bor ka West Karbi Anglong bat ki kulit ke Assam kila kongo ban mino na laper. Bat wat ban sio ka baida wai kisam lakasi bila sya asyok ha ki kulit ke Assam.
Why you are encroaching this man's land?
I'm not.
हम लोग शांति से बैठा है आज तक हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं किया है पब्लिक ये क्या है व्हाट डू यू आप लोग का पब्लिक आप लोग का गवर्नमेंट क्या सोच रहा है
I obstruct them to
what
go
they
back.
what they
But
want
they don't listen
we are
to me.
for we are only for security and then
Me
your
and you are the same.
your people are
And
completely
my people also behind me. I control them.
इतना obstruct क्यों कर रहे हैं
I
हम लोग
obstruct them. I obstruct them. Don't
Why
don't
you
go
cannot
outside.
control your own
Yesterday
people?
also
Why you
we have
cannot
fight
control your
so
own
many.
people? Why you cannot
I
control
have
your own
control.
people?
I have
You
control,
think
Saga.
that this is
See,
your land?
See how many?
Everyone knows that this is
No, nobody is
Yes,
coming. Not see this is
it
their
is
own land.
it is
It is under block 2.
ऐसा कभी भी नहीं ब्लॉक 2 या ब्लॉक 1
Don't
it doesn't
touch me.
matter
I'm not
it doesn't
touch-
matter
I'm
whose
not
government is
touching
it ये कौन किसका है ये जमीन ये रास्ता किसका है
I don't
ये
know
पानी
because I
किसका
didn't
है
say.
you have to know that
You ask the government.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट जो भी होगा
ask the government,
लेकिन
it's not
if you cannot control your people then you just surrender yourself
How you
I can
surrender?
control my people